forecasting. And as far as the ICT is concerned, how this content can be reachable to the farming community. And I am very happy that in our panel, Dr. Pandey and some representative writer who is already there, we are already working with them. Basically, when we are talking about the green revolution, when we have seen that almost all the inputs has been used to the maximum level. So not only India, in other countries also greater exploitation of the weather parameters are being used. And today we are in a very comfortable position where we are using the modern technology to make more automated observatory in the country, and also we are going from very high resolution forecasting models, and now we are also going for with IIT Delhi and others institute. We are trying to generate the extended range forecast also. And another thing which we are trying to do, we have already started for last 2 years, that how best we can send this information, meteorological information and others informations which are derived from the meteorology to the farming community. If you see that the five broad areas we are working together, and we have taken a very massive modernization plan in India, where we have our observatory. And you know that the Indian Meteorological Department is giving the services to the aviation and agriculture, but these days we are giving more services to the agriculture, and we are concentrating basically the observation, then the forecasting, then the communication, and then based on this inputs, we are collaborating with the State Agriculture University, ICAR institutes and IITs to generate the crop and location specific advisory. And once it has been done, then how it can be communicated to the farmers. And there we are, depending on the private-public partnership model, where we are already doing with Reuters. I have already explained, and we have already started negotiation with Nokia also. I will just show some of the clips on that. I'll just show you very fast that what exactly our observatory systems are there. From the ground level to the upper levels, we have number of observatories, and we are giving more importance to the rainfall, because rainfall is one of the parameters which is controlling most parts of the agriculture. And I'm just going very quickly that this is on today. We are having 241 agromet observatory, where along with the other observation we are taking the agromet. Even also we are taking evaporation and soil moisture, evapotranspiration, dew gauge. So we are having a huge network of station where we are getting this observation every some of the observation we are taking hourly, some of that 3 hours interval, and rainfall obviously 24 hours. So this is the network we have, the wealth of observations we have. Now this our mandate is that how this kind of data can be passed on to the farming community and other user community who can use this information for product development. Now recently, which we have done under modernization plan, that by within 2 years we will be installing 4,000 satellite based automatic rain gauges. Already we have done 500, and then 1,000 satellite based automatic weather stations we have already almost 400 we have already installed. Then 130 satellite based agro automatic station, where we are using in addition to the conventional sensor, we are using the soil moisture, soil temperature, leaf wetness and leaf temperature. So and another important thing is that we are going to deploy that the best quality radars, which is giving a high resolution observational data. And if you see that as the forecasting is concerned, we have to we are supposed to give from which nowcasting months, next 2 hours what will be there, even also after 15 days what should be there. So these are the the forecast we are doing. that only the extended range forecast is 10 to 30 days. This year we have started. If you see IMD website, this monsoon we are started giving 15 days. After 15 days, what should be the rainfall patterns and others. So from short range, medium range 3 to 10 days we are giving, and long range already we are giving for so many years. And this is the some of the things we are already doing, and some of the things we are our plan. The basic plan is that farmers need the high resolution, at least in 9-kilometer resolution they need the forecast, and we are working on it, and we are working with CDAC and others, so that maybe within a 1 or 2 year we also reach to the 9-kilometer, and if obviously it's possible 3-kilometer resolution. Now if you see that this is the things already in as on today, we are generating every day that medium range forecast. That means next 5 days what will be the rainfall, what should be the temperature, what should be the relative humidity we are telling. And as on today, we are 600 and around 600 districts we are generating the forecast, and based on the forecast we are generating the district level advisories. And so this is one of the important things we have started, that is called Doppler radar. This is the pictures, we give high resolution data, and one of the is costing around 15 to 20 crores. And we are already installed 6 Doppler radar in the country, but in our modernization plan another 2 to 3 years we will be installing around 55 Doppler radar. The uniqueness of Doppler radar is that it is giving a data on even any it may be 1 hour, it may be, and it's a high resolution, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer also it giving. So these are some of the pictures already we have done, and this is the forecast we are doing based on the Doppler radar. So and ultimately what I have said, that observation and forecast, this is the kind of flow chart we are generating, and this is the kind of activities we are doing every day, taking the observation, forecast, and we pass on the information. And this is the high speed data communication we have already established, and some of the communications we are in the pipeline, so that we are getting not only Indian data, we are getting that world data which are putting our supercomputing system, and we generate the forecast. But the greatest challenge is that what Ministry of Arts Science, which has been recently established, and Indian Meteorological Department, that trying to utilize all the informations of the observational network, forecasting, whatever may be, and they're trying to put all the information into agriculture. And to do this in agriculture, we have a network of 153 stations in the country. And these are some of the stations are IMD station, but 130 stations are in the State Agriculture University. IMD's job is that to give the observational data and forecasting data to all the centers, and in the centers they have the panel of experts. And this is the thing, how it is in operating in India. It is how it is ultimately transferred to the farmers. And the broad spectrum of the advisories which are being generated at the district level by 130 centers, from sowing to harvest. And based on that observational data and forecast data, we have started generating other products. So these products are available to all our centers, and these products are generated by the field trials has been done by the universities or ICR Institute. So these are the informations are in our computing system, and it is generated automatically in real time, and it is disseminated to the panel of experts in the university who is making the advisory. And another things which we are trying to do with that Space Application Center and National Remote Sensing Agency, based on the NDVI data, we are trying to give the stress condition of the crop. So all these things we are putting in our algorithm system, and we are trying to generate the products. So this is the conventional way of putting the whatever the things we are generating for observation and forecasting by the panel of experts. This is the conventional way we are trying to send it this to the farmers. But the recent initiative last 1 year, which we have trying that under PPP model with Reuters, with Handigo, with IFCO, with Nokia system. Our 130 centers are sending the informations to the farmers. As on today, we are sending this information to more than 1,75,000 farmers in the country. And this is the credit definitely goes to Reuters and other agencies. And we are also trying to do with TCS also very shortly. And this is the, this Nokia system is will be there. And Nokia is going to send this information to 18 states. And IFCO, we are sending already 16 states. With Reuters, we are sending to 13 states. And with Handigo, we are sending 5 states. So even also other companies are coming to us, and we are trying, because this is the main, two things are giving import. One is that content, and another is sending the information. And also we are, in a process of telling Reuters and others company to make the two-way communication system very strong, because whatever given to the farmers and what is their reaction to the particular advisory, it should go to the again to the panel of experts, so they can upgrade the advisory next time. And we are doing some R&D projects also in that way. So this is a system TCS is going to generate with IMD, that in the mobile system observation point will be there, then crop state and stage condition will be there, and what should be the advisory, that will be there, and immediately the farmers will react to